Guys, welcome to Easton Model Bio. In this video, I will be talking about Leah Halton, biography, wiki, age, career, social handle and net worth. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new updates. Leah Halton is an Australian model, makeup artist, YouTube star, Instagram star, and TikTok star. She became famous by posting modeling, lip-syncing, makeup tutorials, and other types of entertaining content on her social media pages. Leah Halton launched her Instagram page in November 2014. She gained a massive amount of following on this platform by sharing modeling, fashion, and beauty content. She also uses her Instagram page to promote products from brands or companies that worked with or sponsored her, which includes Fashion Nova, Boutique, Princess Polly, and more. Furthermore, she branched into YouTube in early 2018, but posted her first video there in November 2019. Since then, she has been consistently sharing beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and vlog content on her channel. In addition, she is also active on TikTok, where she mostly shares lip-syncing, beauty, fashion, and POV content. One of her videos where she's lip-syncing to Praise Jar in the Moonlight, 2023, by YG Marley went viral and became one of the most liked videos ever on the platform. Since 2021, Leah has been in a relationship with a man named Adrian. Little to none detail is known about how they started the relationship. Their relationship is still going strong. She is estimated to have accumulated around $100,000 to $1 million of net worth. She appears to earn most of her income by working as a model and makeup artist, as well as by gaining revenue from her social media pages. According to Social Blade, she earns $596 to $9.5 thousand per month, or $7.20 to $114.50 thousand per year from her YouTube channel's revenue alone. Thanks for watching.